8D audio is an effect that you can apply to your songs to make it sound like the audio is moving in circles around your head. This is achieved by adding an automated panning effect, alternating from left to right. To maximize your listening pleasure, a reverb effect is also added to make it seem like the audio is coming from a live concert. Follow the method in this video to convert your any MP3 song to 8D song. Go to the website audioalter.com. You will see several options available to alter your song. Click on 8D audio. You can convert, in fact, MP3, WAV, and some other formats. Browse your computer to locate your file. I have already downloaded the beautiful music from audiohero.com website. As soon as the file is located, click on Make 8D. In few seconds, you will get your song in 8D. Download the song. Listen and enjoy. You will need to use earphone or headphone to listen the 8D effects. First, listen MP3 music. Now listen 8D music. You can only feel the difference if you are listening this through your earphone or headphone. If you like this video, subscribe and share.